Hi everyone. On today's episode of AC Weekly, we will be doing something a little bit different. I have a special guest here with me today, Tomasz Pado, who is a systems DevOps engineer, and we will be asking him a few questions about his experience in DevOps and with Avenue Code. So let's get started. What would you say is the biggest impact to see with an organization that goes into DevOps?
So DevOps enables frequent delivery of more thoroughly tested software. The entire organization has to be on board and working together, so developers, QA engineers, and operations. Most of the time it's a conflicting proposition because in the past the goals of these teams may have been completely different. But once the challenge is overcome, it's a win-win for everyone.
Yeah, well, I can definitely agree with that because companies can really see how it facilitates collaboration among teams. So continuing with this thought, what do stakeholders need to consider when switching to DevOps?
So DevOps requires a mind shift. Teams that were at one point working in silos, in fact pushing back each other's work, now become one team and they have to work together towards this common goal. It's a challenge, but there are tools that you can put in place to make it work and make it easy.
So kind of like Agile?
Yes, Agile definitely. Agile and DevOps are made for each other. Agile enables better communication. Blockers are addressed quickly because everybody's talking to each other. Work is split into smaller chunks so it can be tested faster. So everything just happens faster so that releases can happen more frequently.
Well, lastly, can you please tell us of a couple misconceptions that comes with DevOps?
From personal experience, it must be role separation. I come from a sysadmin background, and when I first started in DevOps, I thought I'm actually going to have to write software. It's not the case. As a sysadmin on the team, I work very close with the developers and QA, but it only makes sense that you do what you do best.
So basically, with DevOps, you can really release the software more frequently and as well have it tested more thoroughly.
That's right, especially with automation.
Great. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and please stay tuned for our next series on MuleSoft, which will be next Friday. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information.